of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake from life and freedom.
Greetings everyone!
I am Vishika Narang.
I am Sejal Nadam.
Mission Foundation wishes you all a very happy and safe Republic Day.
Republic Day is not just a date on the calendar. It is the heartbeat of a nation that shows democracy, dignity and destiny. Today we stand not just as Indians but as custodians of a powerful republic.
India today is no longer a nation that asks for recognition. India commands respect. From a developing nation to the fourth largest economy in the world, India's growth speaks through innovation, infrastructure and integrity.
In 2025, India conducted targeted internal security operations, including Operation Sindoor, aimed at tracking organized crime and extremist networks, disrupting funding channels, strengthening the intelligence ground coordination, restoring civilian confidence.
In 2025, India did not just pass laws, it implemented systems. Key governance milestones carried into full force. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita and Sakshya Abhiniyam, replacing colonial criminal laws with citizen-centric justice. Expansion of digital courts and e-governance. Strengthened data protection and digital accountability. Policy focus on women's safety, workplace dignity and labor security.
In 2025, India connected what was long ignored. New Vande Bharat routes operationalized, border roads and strategic tunnels completed in difficult terrain. Throughout 2025, India deepened strategic engagement with Europe. European Union leaders Antonio Costa, President of the European Council, and Ursula von der Leyen, President of the European Commission, were invited as special guests to India's 77th Republic Day celebrations this year.
In recent times, statements and policy signals from global leaders, including US President Donald Trump, have once again reminded the world of a hard truth. International politics is driven by national interest, not permanent friendships. In moments where trade positions, immigration rhetoric, or strategic postures have appeared pressuring or dismissive towards India, our nation did not respond with anger. India responded with unity, maturity, and strategic calm.
If Mahatma Gandhi were listening today, he would remind us, no external power can weaken a nation that stands united with it. ना मंदिर से निकली ये शपथ है, ना मस्जिद से आई है, ये उस माटी की सौगंध है जहां भारत की आत्मा समाई है.
Vande Mataram. This is our republic. This is our responsibility.
This is our India.